Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 7 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset your phone through recovery mode. Now I will also add that this process removes screen locks as an example. So if you don't know one, you can get rid of it this way, though you also will get rid of everything else from your phone without being able to actually back it up, assuming you don't know your screen lock. Now, one more caveat on top of that is if you are logged into Google account, this will make the device be FRP locked. So throughout the setup process, once the factory reset is finished, you'll need to verify either the pattern or the Google account, or not pattern, but screen lock in general, or Google account. You can use either one or the other. Now for me, I have both things set up, so Google account and pattern, and by doing so, my phone will become locked. So I'm mentioning this because after the process is finished, I'll make another video on how you can actually bypass this. So if you're interested in doing so, you can follow that video and get a visual guide on how you can do this. Now, anyway, moving to this one, let's lock the device. And you'll see that I do have a pattern set, so I will progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So let's go back to here. Pull down your notifications, click on the power button and select power off. Once the phone turns off, give it like 5 seconds before you start holding power key and volume down at the same time. From there, you should be booted into this mode, boot mode, and in here you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the visible options right here. So press volume down twice and you should see recovery mode. Once you do, confirm it with power key. Give it a second and you'll be stopped by this one, Android with no command, so hold power key, press volume up while holding power key, and this will take you to recovery mode. And then here, just as before, using volume keys, you want to scroll down and select wipe data factory reset, confirm with power key, then select factory data reset, confirm that again. At the bottom you will see data wrap complete as a last entry, meaning that the process is finished, and also reboot system now at that point should be selected by default. So press power key once again, this will initiate a reboot, and this will now continue the process of factory resetting your phone. So it might take it a little bit longer to boot back up, don't worry, that's completely normal. So once the process is actually finished, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. Oh, and as you can see, it's already finished. Now, like I mentioned before, for me the device will be locked, and you can see it right here. I do have this lock icon, so I will be doing a next video on how you can bypass this. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.